Today, Israel dropped an earthquake bomb on Syria. Damn chat, the explosion was so massive, it literally registered as a 3.0 magnitude earthquake. Shit's fucking insane, bro. People are saying it looked like a nuke or something. And the video, well, you could see for yourself, and it's pure chaos. This isn't just any airstrike. This is a message. A single bomb taking out entire military depots. Israel's not playing games. Listen chat, like shit's gonna get fucking crazy in 2025. They're out here dropping bombs that can shake the ground. They're gonna fuck around and take us all down. Keep your eyes open. Chat, this is only the beginning.